I was just about to go looking for you. I was calling. I called the hospitals. I was headed to Angie's to see if you were there. I didn't know what happened or if you got hurt. Why didn't you answer?
I'm sorry. I should have called you back. I just went...
No, you're okay. Why don't you just go get comfortable right now? Yeah, she's fine now, but she just needs a moment.
Thank you for bringing her home.
Of course. You know, someone had to.
Excuse me?
She was counting on you to be there, and you weren't.